Hello guys, welcome back to our channel here at Chloe and Jessica living in the Philippines. Just a quick topic. You guys who are married to Filipinos or you're in the Philippines, retired, do you eat Filipino food just because your wife's from there? Or you're a guy who don't know how to cook and you eat whatever she makes you? Or you just never ventured out, you got to the Philippines and because she's cooking and feeding you, you just eat it even if you don't like it. And you see all the jokes or the short videos or TikToks about, here's an American 1 week into being with his wife in the Philippines, and you're eating the way you did here in the United States with a fork, and you put butter and salt and pepper on your rice and things like that. Well, and then you see 6 months later, he's eating with his fingers and he's got his foot up on the chair, like, the Filipinos do. They put their foot up on the chair sometimes. Well, I'm not one of those guys. When I worked in Boston years ago, I used to see a guy on the bus who's married to a lady from Thailand. And I'd walk through Chinatown, he'd go through and picking up vegetables, things like that, for his wife. But he's a big guy. I'm like, dude, don't you eat what your wife makes? He's like, no, I don't eat that stuff. I'm not eating grass. And well, that's probably me. Like, I like the pancit, I like the lumpia, I like the fish. I grew up eating fish. My dad used to fish all the time. Taron, different things. But some stuff I ain't eating. Sorry. It just ain't happening. And like when I was in, the Philippines for the year and 4 months, we used to drive off Quezon Bukidnon to CDO, Canada de Oro, to go to SNR to buy American food. And in Balay, they had a little store too. You can go there and buy cheese and different things. But they did charge you a little extra because, you're an American and you're trying to get a taste of home. Well, that was me. I didn't mind driving the 3 hours because we were out and about and venturing around. But I don't just eat because of that. Like, we live in an area, you got to drive an hour to get to a seafood city to get Filipino food. There's one serious story where she charges a lot. I don't eat dried fish. I'm used to the smell of it. And I was brought up, I learned how to cook from my dad. So I cook. My wife cooks a lot. I cook. But if there's something I want to eat, I'm going to get it and I'm going to cook it. Just because she's eating that doesn't mean I have to. Like sometimes here, because my kids eat certain stuff. And rice, they love rice. Everybody loves rice. But there'll be 3 different meals on the table sometimes because my wife wants to have a little taste of home. Like, go right ahead, honey, that's okay. But anyways, it's just something I thought about. It's funny. And even when we were in the Philippines, I got to meet a couple that guy been there for a long time. And like he saw we had a microwave in the house. He's like, you got a microwave? I'm like, yeah, Robinson's Mall. They still got everything that you can get here, It's just like there, if you buy a toaster, they actually try the toaster out, you know what I mean? And rice, they'll make rice. They make sure stuff works, electronics, before you bring it home. But he just did whatever his wife told him to do, to go shopping. They barely bought any American stuff, but you can get it. But they act as if it wasn't there, which is not true. It is there. In Mindanao, you got to find it. It's not like if you live in Cebu, Manila, or something. There's a lot of American stuff all over the place. But anyways, just food for thought. Food, get it? All right, welcome to the channel. You new people, hit the like button. Really helps us out. Time for a haircut. I got to dye my hair again. Anyways, peace out. Take care.